And hello there Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixer Wars and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is a Bandai exclusive. We have the 1/144 HGAC Gundam Deathscythe. Hell yes! This is the second season Deathscythe upgrade and it has been converted into a Bandai exclusive. And of course, in the box art, like all other Bandai exclusive, it is monotone. And we see here the model itself, Deathscythe, and some action poses of Deathscythe, Hell. And off to the side, yep, it's just the name, Gundam Deathscythe Hell. Same as in the other side. So a standard packaging of a Bandai exclusive. So let's open and see what's inside the box. So first off, we are greeted with one bag, all black. This, just for the looks of it, is the wings for that side. Second bag, we have the clear effect parts and some gray parts. Third, we have a multicolored sprue, sticker sheet, a PC sprue. Next, all gray, more joints, and I think for the legs as well, and the arms. Last one, we have a all white and all gray parts. And lastly, we have the instruction manual, which is pretty quite different from the standard instruction manual and pretty much the same as the Bandai exclusive what do you call that, instruction manual, wherein there's no image or colored pages for the kit. We just have the information sheets, the sprues, and then you start off with the instructions, and that's it. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We see yellow parts here, black parts, and the red parts. So yellow parts here, I think this is for the chest, the V-fin, and for the shield. So I also see parts for the shield here, waist, skirts, parts of the shield, and parts of the wing, I guess. So that's the A sprue. We also have a B1, which consists mostly of the manipulators and some parts for the hips and legs, I guess. So that's the B1. We also have a C1, which is also still gray parts. This time I think this is more parts of the arm and legs, I guess. And there's also a C2. Now let's see where is C2 coming from. C2 is actually, same as C1, but C1 contains this part while C2 has an extra part here. This area is the same as C1, so that's the C1. We have a D, which is also all gray. So this, I think, is for the shield. This is for the double scythe backpack. So that's the D. We have the E1, which is mostly white and mostly the armor parts for the Gundam Deathscythe Hell, and I think this is for the wings. And there also has a E2, which is the beam saber effects. And we have not just one, but we have two. Is this? Oh, sorry. It's not just one. It's actually, we have an F1, so parts of the wings here, and an F2, which is the other side, also part of the wings also, I think, on the other side. And this is really interesting because there will be color separation based on just the plastic. So nice. And of course, lastly, we have this PC sprue here, which is for the joints and etc. And a sticker sheet. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the P Bandai exclusive for the HGAC Gundam Deathscythe Hell. And this is Mixawar saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.